Maytag Model 92, 1929 year model, multi-motor, hit and miss, cast iron, air-cooled washing machine engine. With the parts of the engine and start to put it back together, starting with one part. Replacement fuel tank was secured. Only one part. Let's put the plug in it and we'll have two parts. I like to use that gasola, and I've been using that E-Seal. It's supposed to have some kind of additive in it for the new late model stuff. The little plug go here. With a touch-up. That'd be all you would need on there. Now we have two parts. Three parts. Four parts. And the count goes on. Gasola gasket sealer. I did make an observation that this tank is quite thin. Like the front part right there would measure out 1/8 of an inch. Side all the way around. This one might be a little bit excess on the 1/8, but it's a really thin tank, very thin. And to this end, I'll let that gasola set just a little bit. Well, yes. In the meantime, to put the top on, I took the liberty to go ahead and bolt these two parts together so that I can get some gasola around the top part. And remembering the past video, I done already broke them slotted nuts, bolts, the ones with the screwdriver slot in them bolts for the fuel tank, you know, broke them off. So in the meantime, I done already laid in some original ones. And on the front one right here on this corner, it'll be longer because of the cover has an ear that sticks out there. So to compensate for that, when you're just putting it together now, is you can put a spacer in there the same thickness as that ear. Crankcase, gas tank top, gas tank, all bolted together as one piece. We'll put that crankshaft in there now. I pre-fitted the rod to the crankshaft. I'll put just a little bit of oil on here. I done already got oil up in yonder, so just a little bit right there on for the time being. a new gasket and sealer. And I'm not sure you would call it a upgrade or anything like that. It's just the point that I had some of them and I'm going to change them out to be in line with the year model. Crown head, that's them crown head bolts right there. Go up in here. I think the same year, next year, the bolts that went in there, this is the one we took out, the flathead ones. I'll clean up that gasket ooze out there, but to point out the side play, how much that crankshaft moves back and forth, I'll show it to you. Okay, when I assemble this crank mechanism, I'll put the shims right in here and it'll take up that space and pull that crankshaft over against that bearing just enough to take the play out of it. That bearing on that side protrudes a little bit proud of the crankcase, so you're running against a brass bushing. This bearing, this bushing on this side is actually on this one a few thousandths less. So we'll address that.